your mind? I mean, we discussed this.
No, we didn't discuss it. You discussed it. I barely got a sentence in.
Doug, I specifically forbade you from buying this.
Forbade? You can't forbade me.
Are you insane? I mean, what the hell do you think you're doing
I
here?
knew you would overreact like this. Look, I just wanted one, huh? It'll be fun.
Fun? Really? Will it be fun when you're in a wheelchair?
Maybe.
This is going back tomorrow.
It's not going back tomorrow.
Oh, it is.
It's not.
It's so going back.
It's so not going back. Look, I'm keeping the motorcycle. For once, I'm wearing the pants in the family.
Fine.
Huh?
Keep the damn bike.
I will.
Fine.
I will.
Fine.
I will.
And by the way, if you want to wear the pants, you might think about pulling them up.
If you get TV Land here, you also get TV Land here, there, everywhere.
Whenever and wherever you want.
Check out TV Land Originals.
You took the ball from me. Problem solved.
Binge watch previous seasons
Hey, scaredy cat. Where you going?
and catch up on everything TV Land. Download the TV Land app or go to tvland.com. Sign in with your TV provider username and password, then start watching.
I take pictures of sunrises, but with my back pain, I couldn't sleep and get up in time. Then I found Aleve PM.
Aleve PM is the only one to combine a safe
She's
sleep
literally
aid plus the 12-hour
moving
daily
in her
strength.
sleep.
I'm back.
Aleve PM for a better AM.
You killed her.
Did not. She's breathing.
Feel good. It all starts with eating right. That's why I eat amazing fruits now.
She's breathing.
And help keep my body in balance.
Sunsweet Amazing Fruits, the feel-good fruit.
There is nothing complicated about Simply Orange. It is not sweetened, not concentrated, not frozen.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Sometimes not doing something is just the thing to do.
See, she alive.